Hi, I'm Tico Costa.
And I'm Virginia Barrick.
And we're Tico Sighting. Tico Sighting was commissioned by Feral Studios to conceptualize a large art piece for EDC Las Vegas 2018.
EDC is one of the largest music festivals, pulling in the top DJs and electric music talent from around the world.
Electric Daisy Carnival brought in over 150,000 people over the course of 3 days this past May. Ghost Ride was conceived over a 6-month period. The idea behind the piece is taking a warplane and turning it into art.
Feral Studios found the plane out in the Arizona desert, loaded it up onto a truck to bring it to their LA studio to restore and paint it, making it ready for the video transformation. Here in our New Orleans studio, we were working out the computer renders of the installation, figuring out the math and trying to work out exactly how best to approach this visually. We knew we needed more powerful projectors than the ones that were available to us. And EDC is a festival for where light is the main attraction, so Ghost Ride needed to be very bright. From the start, we knew that outlining the plane in LED lights was a must. Not only would it ensure that the plane would stand out from a very far distance, but we wanted to be able to push our video content through the lights. So we hired an incredible lighting team of Jorge Golem and Clarso from Mexico City to assist us in installing over 350 meters of LED lights and to map them to the plane, syncing our video content to the lights. Next came the task of ensuring that our video projected content would be bright enough. For the past 2 years, we've used Optoma short-throw projectors in our small 360-degree immersive dome theaters. So we contacted Bobby Rodriguez, our regional sales manager, and presented him with our project.
Hey, this is Bobby with Optoma Technology. I'm here at EDC 2018 in Las Vegas, where Optoma has partnered with Tico Sighting and Feral Studios to bring the Ghost plane to life.
Optoma agreed to sponsor our project, and Bobby recommended that we try their ProScene professional laser projector series. The ZU1050 is a 10,000 lumen laser projector, and the ZU850 is an 8,000 lumen laser projector. Both of these projectors had a variety of lenses for us to work with. When we arrived in Las Vegas, the real work began. Rob and his crew from Feral Studios worked down to the wire, getting the plane raised and into position. Tico and I created and installed the projector towers, infinity mirrors for the engines, supervised the lighting and projection mapping crew, and created a visual show to project onto the plane. It was definitely a race against time, but opening night came and Ghost Ride shined. There was a lot of ambient light around us due to the bright stages and other art installations, but we were really pleased with the way the 8K and the 10K projectors performed. With some tweaking on the first night of the show, we really got the colors to show through richly. There were a couple of features from these lasers that really helped us in this project. First, the range and lens shift. It allowed us to reach unconventional areas on the plane surface without major placement modifications of the projectors. And second, the ability to turn off the projectors and restart them without the usual long cool-down time was super useful. It made switching out the lenses and making tweaks fast and efficient. The Optoma ProScene Professional Laser Series really allowed our work to shine. We would like to thank Optoma Technologies for letting us showcase their products at EDC Las Vegas 2018.